Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a juice that will help to reduce your blood sugar, aid digestion, and also help to reduce cholesterol level. To make this drink, I'll be making use of bitter melon. Bitter melon is a good source of nutrients like fiber, vitamin A, C, and some other important minerals. For this drink, I'll be making use of lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C and it will aid in iron absorption. So I'm going to cut the bitter melon into smaller pieces. You can choose to remove the seed. It also helps to reduce blood sugar, aids digestion, good for weight loss. When I'm done cutting, I'll add into the blender. I'll be making use of one lemon. So I'm going to cut the lemon and squeeze to get the lemon juice. Lemon contains vitamin C. It's so good because it will aid iron absorption and it contains fiber which will help to reduce constipation. So I'm going to squeeze to get the lemon juice. I'll be making use of ginger which I've already peeled, so I'm going to cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Ginger is so good for this drink because it will help to aid digestion. So when I'm done adding the water, I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. When I'm done blending, I'm going to filter or sieve it with a strainer. I'm going to sieve to get the juice. Mind you, bitter melon has a bitter taste. You can tone down the taste by adding apple. Finally, the drink is ready. This drink is packed with some important nutrients which are good for your health. It will help to lower blood sugar. This drink will help to reduce cholesterol level. It will aid digestion so that you can lose weight. Research, it also shows that bitter melon may have cancer fighting properties. You can enjoy one cup of this drink on empty stomach in the morning. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.